Mga English phrases na may kinalaman sa pagtatanong ng direksyon. How to ask for directions in English. Which street should I turn on? Which street should I turn on? Sa anong kalye po ako liliko? Do I turn left or right at the corner? Do I turn left or right at the corner? Kakanan po ba ako o kakaliwa sa kanto? Is there a direct train to Florence? Is there a direct train to Florence? May diretsong train po ba papuntang Florence? Is there a landmark I'll see before I get there? Is there a landmark I'll see before I get there? May palatandaan po ba akong makikita bago dumating doon? Which station should I get off at if I want to go to Wat Po? Which station should I get off at if I want to go to Wat Po? Saang istasyon po ako bababa kung gusto kong pumunta sa Wat Po? How can I get to Katara Village from here? How can I get to Katara Village from here? Paano po pumunta sa Katara Village galing dito? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Malayo po ba yun dito? Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? Pwede po bang lakarin yon? How long does it take to walk there? How long does it take to walk there? Gaano po katagal kung lalakarin? Is it better to just take a tram instead of a taxi? Is it better to just take a tram instead of a taxi? Mas mabuti po ba kung mag-tram na lang ako kaysa mag-taxi? Should I cross the street? Should I cross the street? Kailangan ko po bang tumawid ng kalsada? Where's the bus terminal around here? Where's the bus terminal around here? Saan po banda ang terminal ng bus dito? Can you tell me where the bank is? Can you tell me where the bank is? Pwede niyo po bang ituro sa akin kung nasaan ang bangko? Which ride should I take to Old Town Square? Which ride should I take to Old Town Square? Ano po ang sasakyan ko papuntang Old Town Square? Is the hospital on the left side? Is the hospital on the left side? Nasa bandang kaliwa po ba ang ospital? Is this the way to the Eiffel Tower? Is this the way to the Eiffel Tower? Dito po ba ang daan papuntang Eiffel Tower? Is it straight ahead? Is it straight ahead? Diretso po ba yon? Is the pharmacy close to the market? Is the pharmacy close to the market? Malapit po ba ang butika sa palengke? Is it near the stadium? Is it near the stadium? Malapit po ba yun sa stadium? Do I turn left or right at the corner? Do I turn left or right at the corner? Kakanan po ba ako o kakaliwa sa kanto? Could you show me on the map? Could you show me on the map? Pwede niyo po bang ituro sa mapa? Will I get there faster if I ride? Will I get there faster if I ride? Mas madali po ba akong makararating doon kung sasakay ako? Is the bus stop right in front of the mall? Is the bus stop right in front of the mall? Sa harap po ba mismo ng mall ang sakayan? How many minutes away is it? How many minutes away is it? Mga ilang minuto po ang biyahe papunta ron. Is there a shortcut to Victoria Peak? Is there a shortcut to Victoria Peak? Meron po bang shortcut papuntang Victoria Peak? Where's the waiting area? Where's the waiting area? Saan po ang hintayan ng mga pasahero? Is there a parking lot in the park? Is there a parking lot in the park? May paradahan po ba sa loob ng park? Which building is next to the post office? Which building is next to the post office? Anong building po ang katabi ng post office? How long is the trip to Pier 39? How long is the trip to Pier 39? Gaano po katagal ang biyahe papuntang Pier 39? Do you know where the Tokyo Skytree is? Do you know where the Tokyo Skytree is? Alam niyo po ba kung nasaan ang Tokyo Skytree? Is there a direct trip to the airport? Is there a direct trip to the airport? May diretso po bang biyahe papuntang airport? Which bus should I take to the hotel? Which bus should I take to the hotel? Aling bus po ang dapat kong sakyan papunta sa hotel? Where can I buy a bus ticket? Where can I buy a bus ticket? Saan po ang bilihan ng tiket ng bus?